Welcome to our guide on installing Jupyter Notebook on your Windows computer. First, we'll need to download the Python installer from the official website. To do this, open your preferred web browser and go to Python official website. Once you're on the Python website, click on the Downloads tab located at the top of the page. On the Downloads page, you'll see the latest version of Python available for download. As of the making of this video, it's Python 3.12.2. Click on the Download Python 3.12.2 button to download the installer. Once you click on the button, your browser will start downloading the Python installer. The download may take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file and double-click on it to run the installer. When the installer window opens, you'll see boxes. Check these boxes and click on the Install Now button to proceed with the installation. The installer will now begin installing Python on your computer. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a success message confirming that Python has been installed on your computer. You can now click on the Close button to exit the installer. Now that you've successfully installed Python on your Windows computer, let's proceed to install Jupyter Notebook. To install Jupyter Notebook, we'll be using a package manager called pip, which comes bundled with Python. Pip is a package manager for Python that we'll use to install Jupyter Notebook. Now, let's open the command prompt by pressing the Windows key, typing cmd, and hitting Enter. Then, type the following command and press Enter. If Python is installed, you'll see its version number. You can also check the pip version by typing the following command in the command prompt and pressing Enter. Now to install Jupyter, in the command prompt, type the following command and press Enter. This command will install Jupyter Notebook. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a success message confirming that Jupyter Notebook has been installed on your computer. Now, create a folder on the desktop and open it. Once the folder is open, right-click and select Open in Terminal. In the terminal window, type Jupyter Notebook and press Enter to launch the Jupyter Notebook application in your default web browser. You can now start creating and running Jupyter Notebooks to write code and much more. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye-bye.